So how does a computer actually run your C program or C code? Say you typed some code, say any code, and then when you actually run it, it goes to the compiler first. Again, as I said in the pre-introduction of the introduction video, that my tutorials are bite-sized, meaning that these are small, easy for you to digest. There is a lot of processes behind how a computer runs a C code. You can check it out later. I'll refer some reading links, but I'm just going to cover this quickly because I'll focus more on the coding part in this tutorial, in these tutorials. So say you write some code, the code gets passed to the compiler, which passes to the assembly code, and the assembly is actually it's kind of what we say, it's like something you code a microprocessor in or something, but that's something you learn at the computer architecture courses. And after that, the assembly code is passed to the assembler, and the assembler converts that to a binary code, machine language code, which is understood by the computers. Again, there's a huge process. This is a huge process. I'm only giving you a digestible size of it. And see, when the assembly passes it to the assembler and the assembler to machine code, this machine code depends on processors to systems and so on. That is why the C code you write, the C program you write in Windows won't work on Mac, or vice versa on any other operating systems. That's why C is actually not platform independent.